Now, this is the screen. Let me see. Now, this is a screen on Google Meet. When you join Google Meet, you will see all these icons. We have a couple of icons here at the middle. You have this at the side, and you have the people that are joining here. So, for you to know the function of the icon, when you hover on it with your mouse, then you can see. Now, from this side, the left side, you can see turn off microphone, which is if you want to turn off or turn on your microphone. If I try it now, it will turn off. Then I click on it again, it will turn off. Then I click on it, it will turn on. Now with this, my my video is turned off. This is a video icon, but when I click on it, it will turn off when the cross red indicator is not there. It's turned on. Now this is a share screen. If you want to share your screen to the meeting, then you can click on this. You can see a laptop with an arrow up sign on it. This one is the emoji for displaying how you feel about the meeting. When you click on it, it will display emoji for you. Can you see? You can pick any of the image to display on the meeting. Now this one is when you want to write a caption on, or you want anybody that is talking, you want them to be translating, you want the software to be translating what they are talking about or what they are saying on your screen. Then you click on this caption. Now you have this one, which is a hand up. That you want to raise your hand in the class. Anytime you are in the class, you click on it, then it will display the hand raised in the class. Can you see him down? So that is how it is. Now this one is a dot on each other. So this one is to know some of the features that cannot be placed here. You know it here. So I call it a menu button for you to get some of those features that you can use on the Meet app. So this one is to disconnect the call. When you are leaving the call, you can click on this. So you have this that will indicate all the people that have joined your live section, and you have this to do the chatting. Anything you want to chat about, you type on this. Now you have this as you want to change any specific things on this meeting. This is the setting meeting tools that you can use in order to do anything you want to do on this meeting. And you have this the host control, so you can lock it, so the host is the only one that will control anything that is going on the live section. So that is how you can use all this optional button on your Meet app. Now when you click on this, which this one is very important, when you click on this, then you will see this dialog box that will show you the screen tab, the windows, and the entire screen. This is for you to share your screen, and it depends on what you want to share. So if you click on the Chrome tab, that means you are talking about your Chrome, the Chrome that you open, not the one you don't open, the Chrome that you open. Now you can navigate through any of the one that you want to share here. If I want to share ChatGPT, I will click on ChatGPT, then I will click on the share. Automatically it will share the screen of ChatGPT. But if I want to share my WhatsApp, I will click on my WhatsApp, then I will click on the share. It will automatically share the screen of my WhatsApp. But I want to share more than WhatsApp, so I will come to this window. This window will tell me that I have to share all the Google Chrome. If I have one or two, three Google Chromes, or I have some other things I open, which is a window file, then I can share it here. So if I have my Visual Studio Code and I have everything here, I can share it. To display here, so I can share it. So this is the entire screen, just like the way it sound, entire. So if you click on this, you don't need to disturb yourself. you can share all your screen. So anyone you want, you can click. Let's click on share all the entire screen. So we have clicked on share all the entire screen. You can click on hide here. So after I share the entire screen, immediately I go to another screen. That is what my viewer can see. So is the screen I am that my viewer will see if I share all my entire screen. But if I share a particular screen, is that screen that they will see even if I navigate to any other screen. That is how it works on Google Meet, and I hope you understand. Please, if you don't understand, you can send me a message, and I will be happy to share more light on it. Thank you very much.